Allah in Himself. Ayat al-Kursi. Theme of this long verse is Allah Himself, His unity and supreme knowledge and authority. It is also called the verse of throne. It's a verse of Surah al-Baqarah, Madni Sura. Main teachings. This passage mentions that Allah is unlike any other beings because He doesn't have any relation, partner or associate like humans. The passage also tells that Allah has the greatest knowledge of everything due to the fact that He is the maker of all in the universe, and that He exists in every time. The knowledge of Allah is far beyond man's comprehensions. He has the knowledge of all times, past, present and future. Allah not only knows what we see, He also knows what we can't view, like the things in the heavens, things hidden inside the crust of earth and mountains, etc. Unlike us, Allah can also see what is in a person's heart. As the Holy Quran mentions. Relevant reference. It is He who knows what is open in speech and what you hid in your hearts. 21:110 Al-Anbiya. The throne, which is the symbol of power, tells us how great His authority is. His authority is the most supreme one that no one can challenge Him, rather everything moves as per His authorization. Thus, the passage signifies His power to control everything on earth and heavens, and knowledge of everything that happens. Significance. The passage helps us to understand the unity, perfection and exclusive authority of Allah. Firstly, it gives us the evidence to decline the pantheist belief of God being in everything. By the phrase His are all things we analyze that He is not everything, rather everything is His. Secondly, learning about His unity make us realize that He is the only God, thus we submit ourselves to Him alone. Thirdly, the term Al-Qayyum in this passage helps us to realize the incomparable power of Allah. It says He is independent and limitless to time and space. So, we get to learn unlike us, Allah is perfect in life, because He never dies, and Allah is also perfect in activity, as He never slows down in working nor does He grow tired. Lastly, we analyze the power of Allah, an extension of His throne, that it is the most extended. Thus, it gives all humans the idea that they should turn to Allah alone in adversity and prosperity both, rather than turning to any worldly throne or designation. Moreover, we also learn that His support and decision are the most absolute one, which neither can be challenged nor changed. So, we should not consider any other being, power or protection equivalent to Allah in any ways, as whatever we do and get is by His permission.